Today we're looking at one of the most impressive heavy mobility platforms to emerge from the Eastern European defense industry in recent years, the MZKT 600203, often called the Belarusian Heavy Mobility Platform. This massive 8x8 tactical truck and chassis isn't just a generic transport vehicle, it's a purpose-built machine, designed from the ground up to handle the toughest military logistics, engineering, and specialized equipment roles in 2025 and beyond. What you're seeing here is an evolution of the MZKT family of chassis that date back decades, but with modern power, payload capacity, and adaptability that puts it on par with other global heavy truck platforms in service today. Military review. At its core, the MZKT 600203 is a 4-axle, 8-wheeled heavy tactical chassis built by Minsk Wheel Tractor Plant, also known by its Belarusian name Volat, a company long known for producing massive off-road military trucks and missile transporter vehicles. This variant stands out in the MZKT 6001 series because of its increased payload capacity and adaptability. It's not just a cargo truck, this chassis is designed to be the base for all kinds of military systems like engineering modules, radar units, recovery systems, mobile workshops, and more. Military review. Under the hood, the MZKT 600203 is powered by a Caterpillar C13 6-cylinder inline diesel engine producing around 520 horsepower, a significant output for a vehicle of this class. That engine is paired with an Allison 4500SP automatic transmission offering 6 forward gears and 1 reverse, which then sends torque through 2 transfer cases to all 4 drive axles. This setup gives the truck both power and flexibility, whether on highway cruising or navigating rough off-road terrain. Military review. Performance numbers may not be as flashy as a sports car, but for a tactical chassis weighing around 17 tons empty with a payload capacity near another 17 tons, they're solid. On paved roads, it can push up to about 105 km per hour, respectable for such a large military vehicle. With a cruising range of around 830 km on a full 600-liter fuel load, it offers long operational reach without refueling, which is crucial in military logistics where supply lines are frequently stretched. Military review. Its cross-country mobility is also notable. The truck can climb slopes up to a 60% grade, tackle side slopes near 46%, and ford water obstacles over 1.5 meters deep without preparation. With modifications, that water fording depth can be extended even further. Ground clearance of roughly 370 mm and a centralized tire inflation system work together to help the truck navigate mud, sand, and uneven ground without getting stuck. Military review. One key strength of the MZKT 600203 is its modular design. The chassis itself is essentially a robust mobile foundation. Behind the cab you have a large open structural frame ready to accept a variety of specialized superstructures. Military engineers and defense contractors can mount every